Today we're going to show you a quick and easy way to upgrade the factory parking lights on your 64.5 through 66 Mustang to LED. These LED parking lights are sold as a pair of a very simple installation requiring only a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver to install. They're going to be direct replacements and work in the factory housing. They're going to plug it into the factory socket, and then the lens is actually one piece with the LED, so you're replacing everything at the same time.
First thing we have to remove is the old lens. It has 2 Phillips head screws. Once you have your lens removed, you can throw the lens out, but keep the screws. Carefully remove your bulb. Just push in and twist counterclockwise, and then you can pull it out. When reinstalling your new lens, there's alignment pins on the socket, the higher one and a lower one. The higher one goes to the top of the lens cap. When installing the lens, it's a nice slot. You can use a flathead screwdriver in the back of the socket to help push it in and lock it in. Remember to just push it in and then turn it clockwise to lock it in. Slide your lens into place. Reuse your factory screws and get them both in and then tighten them down. Once you have the lens tightened down, repeat the same process on the other side.
The LED parking lights on our 65 give the car a much more modern look, and the installation could not be easier. Now, one thing we didn't mention is if you're running an LED parking light like this is also your turn signal, so you do have to upgrade the flasher to something that'll work with LEDs. Now, in the case of our 65, it already has LED taillights. When we installed those taillights, we installed the proper flasher, so we are good to go. The installation, though, should take you no more than about 15 to 20 minutes to be back on the road in no time.